I'm Michael Patak, and after losing $90,000, I knew there had to be a better way for the retail trader. I know how difficult trading is, but you don't have to go it alone or with your own funds. I founded Topstep in 2012 to help aspiring traders learn the craft of trading without repeating the same mistakes that nearly ruined me financially. These are the same rules that helped me reframe my mindset from a losing trader to a winning trader. Every bit of our program will guarantee, and always have. You'll have true skin in the game, but you don't have to risk the big dollars. It's simple. Our traders have 80% of the upside of their own money, but 0% of the downside. Plus, you keep your first $5,000 in profits. This is a company founded by traders for traders, and many of us are available for performance coaching. Use our tools or talk to a real trader, someone who has been where you are and can get you to the other side. If you have a program question, our trader support team is staffed by real people. Or if you're looking for a bit of trader advice, get involved with our active community. You'll see me. I'm in there all the time, doing what I can to help traders. Our traders have withdrawn millions of dollars. Watch our funded trader interviews to be inspired by people just like you who found success taking money out of the markets. And we do all this globally. Wherever you come from, you can be successful here because trading is a true meritocracy. This is the best part about my job, seeing how our traders utilize funds. One of our traders bought a minivan, another trader took his kids to Disneyland, and another just went to Vegas for fun. We have over 1,000 Trustpilot reviews, averaging almost 5 stars. I encourage you to check these out. This is personal to me. I love to see a world in which anyone with a love for trading can pursue their goals in a safe and supportive environment. And that's Topstep.